are some hats in a box. 1/6 of them are red, 1/3 are blue, and 3/7 of the remainder are green. If there are 27 green hats, how many hats are there all together? Whew. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a bar representing all the hats. That's what I'm going to do first. And remember, if you draw a bar and it's not beautiful, not perfectly even, that's fine, right? Because you know my bars are never perfect. But that's supposed to represent all hats. And it says 1/6 of them are red. Okay, so I told you when I have an even denominator, I draw a line down the middle and then split both halves as best I can. One thing that I didn't say earlier, remember all boxes must be the same size for problems to work out. Okay? All problems are the same size. And all boxes are the same size. And let's just pretend that all of these are the same size. Okay, 1/6 of these are red. Red hats, right? You with me? Oops, yes. Sorry. Okay, 1/6 are red. Then it says 1/3 are blue. Okay, 1/3 are blue. All right, this is a little bit of a problem, not a big problem, but I have 6 boxes. So what I'm going to need to do now is figure out how many 6ths 1/3 is. How many 6ths are 1/3, Rivers?
2/6.
Yes, 2. Remember? 1/3 and 2/6 are what we call equivalent fractions, right? Yes. Okay, so now that's supposed to look red, but it doesn't really look red. I'm going to make it look more red just for. Does that look red? Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so now blue. Blue hats. 2/6 are blue, right?
Yeah, but it doesn't say like of the, oh, no.
2/6 of all the hats are blue, right? That's what the problem tells us. Now, 3/7 of the remainder are green. Now look, this is our remainder, right? Does everybody agree with that?
Yes.
Those have been used up. These are the blue hats, that's used. So this is the remainder. Are all these green?
No.
No, they're not all green. Only 3/7 are green. So, I am going to, and this is so important, I am going to divide all of the hats into 7ths. Okay? So, this is an example of when I don't have a denominator that is even, so I just kind of have to do the best I can. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. What do I know about every single solitary box?
That they're even.
All of those little boxes are the exact same size. That is so important. That is so important for you to remember that. Okay? And even though I have divided these boxes into 7ths, I'm not going to really need that. I don't need that information, but I divided them into 7ths because I need every single solitary box to be the same size. Shoot. So now, I got my pen. Now, how many 7ths?
3.
How many 7ths did I just?
1.
That's 1/7.
How is
That's
that
2
1/7?
7ths, and that is 3/7. Do we all agree that that represents the green hats?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. How many boxes is that? That's 9 boxes. So 9 boxes.
Wait, why was that 1/7?
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Why was that 1/7?
You have to do
Well, okay, look. This is the remainder. Everybody agree this is the remainder, right?
Yes.
I divided the entire, it says right here that 3/7 of the remainder are green. Okay?
Yeah, but I
So-
don't understand how.
Okay, cool. So I'm dividing the entire, all the hats into 7ths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right?
Mhm.
I'm not going to shade any of this green because those are red hats and blue hats.
Yeah, I realized.
Okay, you know what? Let's hold the questions until we stop recording, okay? And then I'll go over it in more detail. Okay? All right. So these are the green hats, and we just said that those are 9 boxes. How many green hats do we have? 27. Now this is the part that's I think you'll like, but at the same time, it just sometimes takes a lot to wrap your brain around. I know that those green hats. This is 27 hats right there, right?
Yeah.
And I have 9 boxes. And I see a lot of you raising your hand because you know exactly
One box.
what's yes. Someone just said it. That means that because all of these boxes are the same size, if I have, let's see, where do I have space? If I have 27 green hats and 9 boxes, how much is each box worth?
3.
Yes! So a box, each one of these boxes equals 3, right?
Yeah.
So, okay. But look at my question. Here's my question. How many hats are there altogether? So now, all I have to do is figure out how many boxes I have altogether. And remember, I can count the columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. Right? And multiply the columns by the rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 7. And I know I have 42 boxes. Now, I have to take those 42 boxes and how much is each? 42 boxes. How much is each box worth? 3. And I get 126. And the answer is 126 hats.
Wait, but you.
Okay.
No, you
River.
counted.
River.